I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enhance your security with two-factor authentication on Citizens Bank, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by visiting the Citizens Bank website and logging into your online banking account with your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication. In the settings menu, look for a section labeled Security or Two-Factor Authentication. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. You will see an option to enable two-factor authentication. Toggle the switch on and follow the prompts to set up your preferred method, such as SMS or an authenticator app. Note, if you choose SMS, make sure your phone number is correct to avoid missing verification codes. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up, confirm your changes and save them. You may receive a test code to ensure everything is working properly. By following these steps, you can easily set up two-factor authentication and add an extra layer of security to your Citizens Bank account. Stay safe out there.